My name is Mitchell Gumko. This is week 11 for Geology, and this week we are doing a radioactive decay problem that we had to set up on our own. So, um, here's my graph or my table for it to help me set up this problem and that we can go through. I go step by step on it. So, in the far left, we have the age, and it's just in years. Then we have our time, which is in our half-life. Then we have proportion of parent, proportion of daughter, a ratio of daughter, parent percent, daughter percent, amount of parent in grams, and amount of daughter in grams. And the problem we have here is a rock has a half-life of 2,000 years. At the start, the parent has a total of 250 grams. How much of the parent or how many grams will be left of the parent after 3 half-lives? So we'll set up the first one here in a second. So what we'll do is we'll put in 0 for the age, and that means no half-lives have gone by. Parent is full. The daughter has nothing yet. So parent would have 100%, daughter would have 0%. The full 250 grams would be in the parent, and 0 grams would be in the daughter. So it's going to look like that to start. I know, yeah, I'll wipe that off a little bit. Oh, that might have made it worse, actually. And that's really bad. I'm sorry for that. Alright. But you got that. So that's how it looks. So now the half-life is 2,000 years. So we're going to go through that. We'll do 2,000 years. Now we know one half-life has been complete. So we got half proportion of the parent and half proportion of the daughter. So we have 50-50. And we'd have 125 for the 125 grams and 125 grams for the daughter and the parent. So they both would be split in halves. So that's how it's going to look there. And now we're going to go through another half-life. So to find this, because I said we had to go through 3 half-lives, and we've only completed 1 half-life. So we're going through our third half-life. So we get to 4,000 years. And that would be 2 half-lives completed. And now after 2 half-lives, we have 1/4 of the parent, and we have 3/4 of the daughter. And which that just means we have 25% of the parent and 75% of the daughter. So with that being said, now we have to take these numbers, the grams. This part gets a little confusing because you get into decimals, but it's not too hard. We've taken math before, so we have 62.5 grams of the parent, and we have 187.5 grams of the daughter. So now we're going to complete our third half-life, and that was the question asked. It said how many grams are left, or how much of the parent is left after 3 half-lives. So now we get to find our answer. So actually, that's what it looked like, but that's what it looks like after 2 half-lives have been complete. There's no half-lives, and then the 2 half-lives. So now we're on our last half-life for this problem, which is our third half-life. So we'd be at 6,000 years. 3 half-lives have gone by. We have 1/8 of the parent, and we have 7/8 of the daughter, and we also would have only 12.5% of the parent, and then that would give us 87.5% of the daughter. And now we get to find our answer right here. So here's the big time. So now we have to take that 62.5 that we had and take half of that. So we're going to get 31.25 grams of the parent, and we'll get 218.75 grams of the daughter. So that's it. I look at my little cheat sheet. Yeah, I know I'm cheating, but so the answer would be to this question which the question was: a rock has a half-life of 2,000 years. At the start, the parent has a total of 250 grams. How much of the parent, how many grams are left after 3 half-lives have been completed? And the answer would be 31.25 grams. Thank you for watching.